Hi, in this video I'm going to show you where the top tethers are on your BMW 2 Series. This is a 2025 model. So we have two in the back, and to locate them you just need to lift up here, and you can see that here we have it here, and we have the same over this side on the left hand side. So we just need to lift it up like so. It can be a little bit stiff, and you can see they're here. Then when you're finished they just clip back down. So there for the two back seats. Also we have our ISOFIX down here as well on both sides, and then the top tether for the front seat is actually located just on the zip on the back of the front seat. And you can see here, this is the top tether for the front seat, so it's located in this zip here. So just zip down, and can you see here we have it here. When you're finished with it, just do the zip back up like so. So that's the top tethers on the BMW 2 Series. Thanks for watching.